Mahakumbh Amrit Snan became the number one trend on social media. Mahakumbh Amrit Snan was trending on social media on the occasion of Makar Sankranti, the first Amrit Snan of Mahakumbh. Thousands of people posted using Mahakumbh Amrit Snan on the social media platform X. More than 3.5 crore devotees took bath on the occasion of the first Amrit Snan. Mahakumbh Nagar, January 15th. On the second day of Mahakumbh, on Tuesday, on the occasion of the first Amrit Snan festival Makar Sankranti, the hashtag Mahakumbh Amrit Snan became one of the top trends on the social media platform X. From Tuesday morning itself, people started expressing their views on Mahakumbh Amrit Snan on X and it became the number one trend in no time. Through this, thousands of users expressed their views on Amrit Snan. Discussion took place regarding Amrit Snan. There was a lot of discussion about Mahakumbh on social media on the Amrit Snan festival of Makar Sankranti. A large number of users were spreading videos, photos and information of Mahakumbh to others. This hashtag became everyone's favorite and reached number one. Thousands of users used this hashtag to give their feedback on the arrangements made by the Yogi government in Mahakumbh, the number of devotees gathered, as well as Sangam Bath and Sanatan. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was also among those who reacted. After CM Yogi used the hashtag, there was a flood of people reacting to it and this hashtag reached number one in no time. Flowers were showered on the devotees on Amrit Snan as well, cheers were raised. Flowers were showered by helicopter on all the ghats and akhadas for the second consecutive day on behalf of the Yogi government. The Yogi government has made preparations for flower showers on all major bathing festivals in Amrit Snan. Devotees overwhelmed by the flower shower on the Sangam Bank praised slogans of Jai Shri Ram and Har Har Mahadev. The Yogi government showered flowers from helicopters on crores of devotees who reached the Sangam Bank to take a dip on Tuesday on the day of Makar Sankranti, the first Amrit Snan of Mahakumbh 2025. Flowers were showered on the devotees during bathing at all the ghats and akhadas from the helicopter. Seeing the rain of rose petals, the devotees present on the Sangam Bank were overwhelmed and raised slogans of Jai Shri Ram and Har Har Mahadev. The Horticulture Department had been preparing for a long time on the instructions of the Yogi government for flower showers on the devotees in the Mahakumbh Mela area on the occasion of bathing festivals. For this, rose petals were specially arranged. Preparations have been made to shower flowers on all the bathing festivals of Mahakumbh. There are preparations to shower around 20 quintals of rose petals on each bathing festival, in which rose petals were showered on the devotees on Monday on the first bathing festival Posh Purnima Snan, while on the second day i.e. Tuesday, during the Amrit Snan on Makar Sankranti, devotees appeared overwhelmed by the shower of flowers as well. It is known that the Horticulture Department has arranged for adequate flowers for the first 2 days. The Horticulture Department had stored a stock of more than 40 quintals of rose flowers for these 2 days. Mahakumbh Prayagraj 2025, 3.5 crore devotees took Amrit Snan on Makar Sankranti. On the first Amrit Snan festival of Mahakumbh Prayagraj 2025, Makar Sankranti, 3 crore 50 lakh devotees from across the country and abroad in the state took Amrit Snan at Triveni Sangam and received the blessings of Sun God. The process of bathing started late at night and continued throughout the day. The grand Shobha Yatra of Akharas became the center of attraction. On the occasion of Makar Sankranti, the grand Shobha Yatra of Akharas became a special attraction for the devotees. 13 Akharas departed towards the Sangam coast in traditional discipline and took bath in the holy Triveni in their prescribed order. The traditional attire of Naga sadhus, the sound of Damru, display of weapons and war skills kept the devotees enthralled. Kinnor Akhara, led by Acharya Mahamangaleshwar Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi, joined the Shobha Yatra with the slogans of Har Har Mahadev and took Amrit Snan and wished for the welfare of society and humanity. Flower shower from helicopter. The state government showered flowers on the devotees and akhadas from helicopter. This shower of rose petals overwhelmed the devotees. The devotees appreciated this arrangement made by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Bathing and arrangements. Devotees from all the states of the country and many countries of the world participated in this event of MAHAKUMBH 2025. The Ved is earned virtue by taking a dip in the holy Triveni. Due to the special importance of bathing, meditation and donation on the day of Makar Sankranti, amazing enthusiasm was seen among the devotees. The arrangements made by the Uttar Pradesh government for security and cleanliness were commendable. Sanitation workers and policemen were deployed at all the bathing ghats. All the officers including Additional Director General of Police Pack Sujit Pandey, Police Commissioner Tarun Gabar, Divisional Commissioner Vijay Vishwashpant, Mela Adhikari Vijay Kiran Anand and SSP Mahakumbh Rajesh Dwivedi were engaged in monitoring the arrangements. Importance of Mahakumbh. Mahakumbh 2025 is a symbol of spirituality, faith and belief. This event presents a confluence of religiosity as well as social, economic and cultural development. The devotees not only experience the sanctity of the confluence but also praise the efficient management done by the state government.